Eating onions offers a wide range of health benefits that begin the moment they enter the mouth. As the onion is chewed, it mixes with saliva, activating enzymes that start breaking down complex molecules, which not only aids digestion but also stimulates salivary secretions, promoting oral health. Once the onion reaches the stomach, gastric juices further dissolve it into a nutrient-rich chyme, releasing antioxidants, sulfur compounds, and vitamins that help reduce inflammation, support the immune system, and assist in detoxification. These beneficial compounds are then absorbed through the small intestine into the bloodstream, where they travel to vital organs like the heart, liver, brain, and kidneys. This systemic distribution strengthens cardiovascular health, supports cognitive function, and enhances the body's detoxifying processes. Overall, onions act as a natural nutrient delivery system, providing antioxidant protection, anti-inflammatory effects, improved digestion, and organ support throughout the body.
胃液开始分解洋葱，其内部的硫化合物释放出能量脉冲，被胃壁吸收，最终洋葱被转化为易于吸收的营养物质。